This is the console replacement housing case that I've purchased, and obviously the red one. The box contains a full selection of parts and switches, which is really good, and it isn't as shiny as the original. It's more of a matte colour, but it'll certainly do the job at enacting the repair and saving quite a lot of money. Looking at the parts that have arrived, what I noticed was that of course the top plate is completely separate, so I might be able to get by with just replacing the top plate rather than having to dismantle and replace the entire case, because then it'll keep the glossy look of the case while also putting back their broken hinge.